In the dead of night, a tapping echoed through the house. Ignoring it, Sarah tried to sleep, but the tapping grew louder, more insistent. Finally, she crept downstairs to investigate, heart pounding. In the darkness, she found the source, a window, cracked open, curtains billowing. She closed it tight, trembling. As she turned to leave, she glimpsed a reflection in the glass, a figure standing behind her, reaching out. But when she spun around, there was nothing there. She hurried back to bed, haunted by the feeling of a cold breath on her neck.